One day in, one day out, on top, then you're down. The highs and the lows keep swirling. Walk these streets like you're beating. Rise up to meet the break that you need. It's coming. Just hold on. Hold on, yeah. Lift your eyes off the ground. You've only begun. Rising up through the clouds. No, never give up. Climb on, climb. New York back to LA. It's so hard to stay and rest in one place. Yeah, but I see what you don't, will where you won't. So don't dare let go. Just hold on. Hold on, yeah. Lift your eyes off the ground. You only begun. Rising up through the clouds. No, never give up. Climb on, climb. You're comparing yourself, it's like a kiss of death. Instead of doing what you're doing, you get caught up in your head. Feet on the road with your eyes on the prize. Inch by inch, one step at a time. You're losing hope when you can't find a way to speed up the timeline. But one day, though it might be a while, it's gonna be worth every mile if you just hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Just hold on. Yeah. I still remember looking up and counting every star with you. At 15, we're so sure we know who we are. I knew that you were all I would need. Happiness was between your eyes and mine. And if I'd fall, you would be right beside me to bring me to life again. It's been so long since that Texas night. We're growing up, we cut our teeth. We learn that love is not so easy. We're growing up and chasing our dreams. We find that life's not what it seems when we're growing up. Looking up and throwing all our hats so high. Diplomas placed inside our hands. We're partying the night. Oh, and it was all I would need. Happiness was between my dreams and my feet. If I'd fall, they would be right beside me to bring me to life again. We're growing up, we cut our teeth. We find that love is not so easy. We're growing up, we're chasing our dreams. We find that life's not what it seems. When we're growing, I've learned through the bittersweet to hold the roses in between the thorns. Rise up with broken wings and press on even when it seems the storms will throw me down. 'Cause we're growing up, 'cause we're growing up. The sounds of chaos echo through the night. The city's an assault on peace of mind. It's always buzzing and never sleeps. Leaves me driving around overcrowded streets. In the city of hustle, there's no time to think. Might miss your shot the moment you blink. So we wait for tomorrow like we wait for a drug. And we're hoping this time that the fix will be enough. Then the songs over the radio, like a fear, bringing back all I know. Like a whiz, like a kiss, like a voice to remind me I don't have to fly away tonight. I just need to find a place that I can call my own. You call my own. And I don't need a palace in the sky. I just need to find a place that I can call my own. Can call my own. Memories blend like the haze of this town. Makes it hard to breathe or find solid ground. We pace these streets but forget who we are. Lost in the chase, dreams covered in scars. Makes me want go in the tower sometimes. Sell my heart, trade it for nickels and dimes. I could leave it, stop believing, but I feel the wind remind me I don't